Disappearing powder. What do we need? Let's get started. Take 2 cups and fill them with water. Add 3 scoops of baking soda in 1 cup and mix well. Add 3 scoops of cornstarch in the 2nd cup and mix well. Did you notice that the baking soda disappeared in the 1st cup, but the cornstarch is visible in the 2nd cup? Scientific explanation. Some materials dissolve completely in water, whereas others do not. It is called solubility. Cornstarch is insoluble.